it's Taz. Welcome back to Taz's Wig Closet at Wig Studio 1. In today's video, I just want to start addressing some of the frequently asked questions and comments that I have seen on my channel over the past several years. One of the questions that I need to address because it's asked so frequently, I feel like a broken record every day, typing out the same kind of response every single time. And that is, why do you only review blondes? Why only blondes? I'd like to see you review brunettes, or I'd like to see you review reds. Some of the comments are not so nice. I can sense the frustration from the viewer. So I want to address that today. Now, I want and aim to review a variety of colors as well as styles here on this channel, but the fact remains that I buy the majority of these wigs with my own funds. I have to buy them and review them in colors that I am going to wear. It makes no sense for me to go out and purchase wigs that I know I'm never going to wear just to make a review. None of us get paid for reviewing wigs. This is not a professional position. These are free resources designed to help empower your wig buying ability. So what I recommend is if you are out there and you gravitate toward the brunettes or the reds or the grays, I would urge you to continue to watch my reviews for the information on the style, because there's a lot of priceless information that you're going to glean from those reviews. And then go to another channel and watch a review on the color that you are looking for. There is not one single reviewer on YouTube that can satisfy everybody's needs. It just cannot happen. So you're really going to have to look towards a group of reviewers that are going to be able to meet your needs. I manage the Wig Studio 1 YouTube channel. There's literally nothing else out there like it on YouTube in terms of wig reviews. We have 10 to 12 wig reviewers that are constantly contributing to this channel. There's a variety of face shapes, eye color, skin tone, body structure. There's a variety of colors and styles. You will get so much variety on that channel. I am not kidding. This is something that you should absolutely subscribe to. I'll put the link below this video. So if you like the way I review wigs, if you come to my channel because you're looking for information on a style, you could always then go out to the Wig Studio 1 and maybe get on the channel and type in the color that you're looking for. You're bound to find it. We really do strive to cover most colors and styles on the market. So again, this content I create is free to you. It is not a professional production. I just have a little spare room here. I've got some racks with some wigs, and you can take advantage of some of my experience. I'm your eyes and ears when it comes to these wig styles, so I feel like my videos are very much helpful in your wig buying process. But I understand that I can't meet everyone's needs. So I'm not going to be able to do a ton of brunettes or a ton of reds. It's mostly going to be blondes because I buy these wigs for myself to wear. So instead of ever leaving a frustrated comment to a reviewer, just know that we're out here doing the very best we can. We don't get paid for this. These are not professional productions, and they're absolutely free to you. So use a combination of videos and reviewers to meet your needs. Take responsibility for what you need and go out and find it, because I guarantee you that you can. I hope you enjoyed the video today. I hope it helps. I will talk to you real soon on Taz's Wig Closet at Wig Studio 1.